It's really important to give students multiple pathways beyond high school because some students just have a different mindset. If students go into these CTE programs, they find where their real love is, they find where their interests are.
Our goal is to get those students ready for a workforce. Whatever we can get them inspired for is where we're heading.
You really want students to pursue different options so that way they go into a career that they actually love.
The level of sophistication that this department has over most of the schools here on Long Island is second to none.
Early exposure is important for this generation because it is up and coming and you never know what the future is going to hold.
I think tech classes are important because I feel like they could go over a lot of different fields that you could be studying in the future.
You feel like you're doing it yourself because you added all the code blocks and you told the computer what to do.
The students start learning basic block coding at the elementary school level. Once they get into the middle school level, they learn to do block coding and a little bit of language, do some hands-on skills using our drill presses and saws that will help prepare them for the high school courses. At the high school, we currently offer photography and videography, design and drawing for productions, our CAD course. We have automotive courses. We offer welding, which we are partnered with the Navy, making parts for submarines, our precision machining course, and we have our robotics team, which is awesome. Having these CTE programs in the school is amazing. The students that would normally leave to go to a BOCES program do the courses in-house.
Industry's been our connection to get our students into the workforce. The maritime industrial base has connected us with companies that have a need for entry-level machinists, entry-level welders.
If they're looking to get a job in anything to do with technology, they really need to understand the power these classes have.
I never would have thought, when I was in elementary school, that I would be around the tools that I am around.
It's really fun. I like learning about the real world in school.
It can really be helpful if you're interested in going that path.
Because I want to go into photography full time, it really teaches me what I need to know.
Because I feel like it sets me up for a future career that I want to do.
My future goal is to become a machinist, so it's a really good step in the right direction.
Don't be afraid to try. To try, fail, and learn is better than to not have tried it at all.
Maybe this will be something you really enjoy, maybe it won't. But you won't find out until you do it.
Take it as much as you can. Even if you're not using it for what your career is going to be, it is invaluable experience.
West Islip.
Every student, every day.
Every student, every day.
West Islip, every student, every day.